and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have a very easy skin prep for dry skin, and we're just going to go straight into it. First, before you start off with any skin prep, you have to make sure the base is clean, hence why we're going in with the Blossom Micellar water and a baby wipe to clean. You can use a cotton pad, and whatever micellar water it is you have just works just fine. Make sure to clean the skin thoroughly, clean the lips as well. Any part of the skin that is going to show, you just want to make sure you clean it very well before you go into the next step. Okay, next we're going into the serum. If you do not have a serum, you can use the Mario Badescu spray to hydrate the face. So what I'm basically doing is just hydrating the face to add more water to the skin and to help the skin glow even more. Okay, it makes the skin look very healthy, and it's very healthy on the skin. And I'm using the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum for my serum before I go into any step. So what I've done is to cleanse and apply serum before I go into the next step. Look at the glow that we have here already. This is just the effect of the serum on the skin. Okay, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash the like button. Next is moisturizer. This moisturizer is an oldie but a goldie, the Blossom makeup moisturizer. This is the Moist Essence. Now I'm just going to make sure I moisturize the entire skin. Now if you don't have a separate moisturizer for under the eye, please just go ahead and use what you have to moisturize the under eye as well. It still works just fine. But if you do have a separate moisturizer for under the eye, by all means please go ahead and use the moisturizer. So I'm just going to blend that into the skin properly, make sure everything is sitting pretty on the skin, and please make sure to dry down each step before you go into the next step. Okay, if you apply your serum, you dry it down with a fan so that it can dry down faster. If you apply your moisturizer, allow it to dry down before you go into the next step. Now for me, I would just wear this out. I would wear my skin out this way, but since it's for makeup, we're just going to go with a bit of primer. And this is the Adventure Primer, and I'm just going to apply that on the T-zone. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Beautiful. So I'm just applying that on the T-zone, these areas that you can see here, and yeah, looking so beautiful. And don't forget to moisturize the lip as well. We always ignore the lips. Please do not ignore that. Look at this beautiful skin right here. Now let's go ahead and lock in all that skin prep with a spray, and this is by Blossom. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful.